Hey guys, I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove the front wheel on this gravel bike. This is a true axle. If you would have a quick lever, you could just turn the lever and rotate it, but this one needs an Allen key, so let's open the Allen key and get the wheel out. It doesn't need a lot of force to open this, but when you get it out, make sure to hold the wheel so that it doesn't drop down when you pull the axle out like this, and make sure not to pull on the brake lever, because that would push the pistons of the would push the brake pads together, and you would have a hard time to get the brake rotor back in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I bet you would like that video next. Thanks for watching.